Meet our little friend, the AFRICatuff KP100 TJ3, a rugged diesel-powered UHP hydro blasting solution delivering powerful and reliable performance for applications like surface preparation, hydro demolition, and cold cutting, setting new industry standards. Built for reliability and easy transport, this compact industrial tool features a heavy-duty skid mount with reinforced lifting frames. An optional tandem axle trailer further enhances mobility, making it a powerhouse ready for any on-site challenge. Driven by a Cummins Tier 1 QSB 4.5, industrial diesel engine delivering 108 horsepower, 80 kilowatts, this UHP pump pushes out 2,800 bars of pressure at 24.5 liters per minute, which also can be equipped with a liquid end changeout kit, allowing for easy change of pressure and volume from 2,800 bar at 24.5 liters per minute to 1,100 bar at 65 liters per minute in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. This comprehensive unit is engineered to redefine the benchmarks of performance, safety, and sustainability in UHP applications with a 2,800 bar tooling package featuring CE certified UHP Tuff Suit. Engineered for superior protection, the Tuff Suit is rated to withstand pressures up to 2,800 bar, ensuring the highest standards of safety. UHP Tuff Hose with 40K fittings and couplings, designed for robustness and reliability under extreme conditions. UHP Tuff Dump Style Gun, standard with the package, with a self-rotational head but can be replaced with the Tuff Air Rotating Gun upgrade. Maximize sustainability and operational efficiency with our state-of-the-art UHP blast gun. Its air-driven design eliminates the need for costly cartridges and reduces the frequency of gun servicing. Achieves superior performance through its innovative nozzle head rotation, with the UHP unit being equipped with a compressor package. This Tuff Air Rotational Gun is the peak standard blast gun for surface preparation. This integrated system is designed to provide a significant return on investment through enhanced performance, extended component lifespan, and reduced operational expenses. This specialized UHP package is meticulously engineered for shipyards, dry docks, and marine vessel cleaning, offering a comprehensive suite of advantages over conventional methods. Cost-effective and logistically superior, eliminates the need for abrasive media, significantly reducing transportation costs, on-site storage footprint, and associated logistical complexities. Enhanced surface preparation and coating performance. Optimizes surface profiles for prolonged coating lifespans, resulting in superior and durable results. Environmentally responsible and safe. The UHP water blasting process is inherently environmentally friendly, utilizing only water and eliminating silica waste. It minimizes noise pollution, protects sensitive equipment, and allows for the recycling and reuse of water. Superior operational efficiency delivers increased efficiency through reduced downtime, rapid cleaning cycles, and the elimination of hazardous materials. Integrated solution provides a comprehensive and ready-to-deploy system that simplifies operations and maximizes productivity in demanding marine environments. Silicosis, a potentially fatal occupational lung disease, claims an estimated 46,000 lives globally each year, often linked to abrasive blasting techniques like sandblasting. Water blasting offers a decisive advantage. By utilizing no silica dust media, ultra-high pressure UHP water blasting eliminates the risk of silicosis. Embrace a complete turnkey safety solution that safeguards your team and ensures a healthier work environment. Don't settle for ordinary. Demand extraordinary. Choose AFRICatuff, where ingenuity meets performance and safety. Contact us now for your own surface preparation turnkey package unit. Contact sales office at +27 32 06 10451 or email sales@africatuff.co.za.